Hey folks, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride at Wheaton Honda.
It's a 2017 Nissan Murano SV with the premium package. This crossover comes with a factory-installed remote starter, keyless entry, and push-button start. The list of features includes heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, panoramic moonroof, dual-zone climate control, a backup camera, power liftgate, and heated side mirrors. It's also equipped with automatic on-off headlights. An 8-inch touchscreen controls the infotainment center, which has satellite radio, Bluetooth, and a Bose premium audio system with 11 speakers, including dual subwoofers. The intuitive all-wheel drive provides increased handling and traction even in the winter, while a 260 horsepower V6 engine provides impressive power without sacrificing efficiency. It's mated to a continuously variable transmission.
Now, if you have any questions, you can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.